If you think these are real machines, think again. Welcome to LorraMine, a fascinating world where imagination meets engineering. In the heart of France, a group of talented individuals has come together to create a one-of-a-kind masterpiece, a 150-scale open-pit mine that is simply outstanding. LorraMine is not just a mere model. It's a testament to the power of collaboration and creativity. Every detail, every inch of this meticulously crafted creation showcases the passion and dedication of its creators. Most of the awesomeness of this project comes from the models displayed on the fictional mining site. Every piece of equipment is manually weathered to perfection, giving the machines an amazingly realistic look. I mean, judge by yourself. Liebherr, Caterpillar, Komatsu, all the main brands are covered here. This project, which involves a handful of passionate guys, costs thousands of dollars just in cast models themselves. But let's take a look at what's going on behind the scenes. To achieve this impressive result, the LorraMiners had to allocate an entire house room to the project. And sometimes, when things get out of hand, big measures are required, such as lifting the workshop building to get in the house through the roof. Making your way through the mini-mine can also be a problem, hence these ladders. The creativity put in every detail is incredible. Weight distribution, structure, visual balance, everything is taken in consideration with these French guys. Countless hours were spent researching and studying real mining operations. The team left no stone unturned, ensuring that LorraMine accurately reflects the intricacies and challenges faced in the world of mining. With the help of 3D printers, the talented miners created hundreds of unique pieces, including the miners themselves. Also notice the toolboxes, the overhead crane, or the dirt tracks. LorraMine proves that time, passion, and teamwork can lead to wonders. None of this project would be remotely possible without the dedication of a group of talented crafters who never stop researching and improving their skills. This project is also proof that taking risks can pay off. For example, not many out there would agree with weathering the models, which can easily go wrong and ruin an $800 replica. After years and years of passionate work, LorraMine is by far the most amazing modeling project out there. The dedication of those men led to something that, in many ways, is amazingly unique. But enough talk for now. You guys make sure to enjoy the following images because it's so worth it. And if any of the LorraMine guys watch this video, let me just tell you one thing. Merci.